The Food Service Exchange presents.
Congratulations! You've purchased your small appliance ventless hood system, you've installed it, and you've been operating it for a few days, and now you want to learn what the cleaning procedures are, the daily procedures, the weekly procedures, and the ones that must be done periodically. First, let's review the daily maintenance. Number 1, inspect the grease cup and empty and wash it with soap and water as necessary. Also, clean the exterior of the vent with soap and water, wiping off of all visible residue. On a weekly basis, there are certain additional maintenance that should be done. First, unplug the small appliance ventless hood system. Remove the equipment from the platform, also unplugging it prior to removal, and place it nearby. Next, remove the front panel by rotating in a counterclockwise fashion the thumb screws and lift the panel off the frame. Visually inspect the filters. If the grease filter has accumulated grease, remove it and wash it in the pot sink or dishwasher. The particulate filter may also be rinsed in a pot sink. And finally, you may remove the carbon filter, but please do not expose it to water. Wipe any visible residue from the filter area with a cloth dampened with soap and water. Be careful to wipe the frame, the grease filter frame, and the rear of the inside of the small appliance ventless hood system, all the tracks where the filters are, and all exposed areas to view after the front panel has been removed from the unit and the filters have been removed. Also, you may wipe the equipment platform area, which may have accumulated some buildup of food residue from cooking nearby. Now reinstall all the filters into their proper location. Again, make sure the grease filter has the holes at the top and bottom facing the inside of the small appliance ventless hood system. Be sure the filters are dry before placing them in the unit. And finally, reinstall the front panel by resting the bottom on the bottom ledge and tightening the thumb screws in a clockwise fashion. And lastly, place your equipment back on the platform, and you may plug in the equipment and the small appliance ventless hood. Your small appliance ventless hood and the equipment are now ready to use. Please keep in mind that the grease filter is washable. The particulate filter and the carbon filter should be replaced every 4 to 6 months depending on usage. For more details, please consult the instruction and operations manual that was furnished with your unit, or you may download it from our website at www.equipex.com.